Whoa, Mega Friend! Mission incoming! Let's go to the Mega screen and see what it is!
Mission: Can you survive like a penguin?
Check it out, Mega Friend! Looks like this mission is a freezing one. Do you think you can survive like a penguin? Let's see!
Follow me, I'm your friend Mega Milo.
Penguins live at some of the coldest places on the planet. So, point on the map and guess where you think penguins live. If you guessed that penguins live in Antarctic at the South Pole, you would be correct. And whoo, it's freezing there. It's actually colder than your freezer. Ooh. Ever wondered how penguins survive in such a cold atmosphere? Well, they don't wear coats.
Who says we don't wear coats?
They wear feathers.
I guess we don't.
Their feathers are packed so tight, cold air can't get in. It's amazing.
These feathers won't clean themselves.
Now, humans, we don't have feathers. We were just born with hair on our skin. So if you and I want to survive where penguins live, we would need to have like thermal clothing. We would need to have like snow pants. Like a big fuzzy jacket. Oh my goodness. Probably like some gloves and, oh, thank you. And then a hat even. Oh, nice. Well, looks like I can survive like a penguin, but penguins were born with their feathers, whereas I had to go to a store and get all these things. That's wild.
Yeah, that will burn a hole in your wallet. Ow, hot, hot.
Penguins also have a layer of their skin called blubber. It's a really thick layer that helps them to keep all their body warmth in. Now, if I wanted to survive where penguins, do you think I would need 1 sweatshirt, 2, 3, or many sweatshirts? Well, if you guessed many sweatshirts, I think you're correct, because I would need a lot of layers on my body to equal what the blubber does for a penguin. It's amazing. Another thing that penguins do to stay warm in the Antarctic is called the huddle hack. Now, penguins, they huddle together in big groups, and sometimes they're on the outside, sometimes they're on the inside, but when they're close together, they share each other's body warmth and they stay warm.
Hey guys, make room!
Hey Mega Friend, let's do a mega experiment.
Mega experiment.
Take both of your hands, put them together, and where your hands are touching, is it feeling warmer? Yes, it is, because our hands are huddling together like penguins do, and they're getting warmer. That's amazing.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Getting food in the Arctic, that's pretty tough. That's why penguins, they have to jump into freezing cold water to go and get some fish. Do you think you could swim in Arctic cold water?
Is this guy out of his mind?
I definitely can't. I can't even jump into an Arctic cold bathtub. In order to go fishing in the Arctic, we would need fishing poles, spears, but penguins, they can do all of that just with their body and beaks. So let's recap. Do you think you could survive like a penguin without any kind of gear? Absolutely not. With really special clothing and fishing gear? Maybe.
If wishes were fishes, Mega Milo.
Penguins were just born for the Arctic. That's amazing.
Mission accomplished.
Mission complete. Penguins equal cold weather experts. Humans equal jacket collectors.
Yo, you're looking a little chilly out here. Here, take this. Yeah, it's warm. I got a whole closet of these back at the rookery.
Hey, Mega Friend. Want another animal mission? Well, stay ready, because Mega Milo missions are always incoming.
Follow me everywhere.
Click subscribe and follow me on social media so you can come with me on my next mega adventure.
Mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend Mega Milo.